Hello, kids! Today, we are going on a slithery adventure to meet 20 amazing snakes. Some are cute. Let's slide into it. Corn snake. This snake is bright orange and looks like it's wearing pretty patterns. Don't worry, it's totally harmless. Garter snake. This little snake has yellow stripes, like it's wearing racing stripes on its back. Ringneck snake. Tiny and shiny with a golden ring around its neck, just like jewelry. Ball python. So calm and cuddly, it curls up into a ball when it feels shy. Green tree python. Bright green and lives in trees, like a snake hiding in the leaves. Milk snake. Red, black, and white stripes. It looks like candy, but it's all snake. Rainbow boa. When light hits its scales, it shines in rainbow colors. So magical children's python. Don't worry, it's not just for kids. It's a real snake with a funny name. Egg-eating snake. Guess what this one eats? Only eggs. No teeth, no bite, just breakfast. Sand boa. Short and chubby, it hides under the sand like a sneaky worm. King cobra. The longest venomous snake in the world, wearing a crown because it's the king. Anaconda. Huge and heavy, it loves swimming in rivers. It's one of the biggest snakes ever. Boa constrictor. This snake gives big hugs, but only to its dinner. Rattlesnake. Shake, shake, shake. It rattles its tail like a mareika to say, stay away. Black mamba's fast and scary, but super famous because of its speed. Hognose snake. Its nose looks like a piggy snout. And sometimes it plays dead like in a cartoon. Vine snake. So thin and green, it looks like a moving plant stem. Flying snake. Yes, really. This snake glides from tree to tree like a superhero. Sea snake. Lives in the ocean, swims like a fish, but still a snake. Blind snake. Tiny and pink, it looks more like a worm than a snake. Wow, kids! We just met 20 amazing snakes, from the rainbow boa to the mighty king cobra. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.